Alright, we're at FRL Festival. I think we got the problem fixed. Let's go for a drive through the dance floor and see what's happening. See how we go. The battery's nearly dead, so everyone say good night, robot.
Good night, robot.
Good night, robot. Alright, hopefully you can see me. Nicky Bomba has asked me to take the robot on the stage during his set, and then it's going to be passed out through the crowd. There's no clear kind of direction of when or where to do it, so he's jamming right now. It's nearly midnight 2020. And I'm gonna take it out on stage with Nicky Bomba and it's gonna go in the crowd. We'll see what happens. This could go one of many ways. Hopefully it goes well.
That's the churchy verse as we're getting close. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do a song that was massive in 1960.